in the basic service, such as education service, health service, general food distribution, protection, maybe collaborating with UNHCR, UN agencies, international and NGOs, and also the American government. We provide education service for refugee in all levels, primary, pre-primary, secondary, higher education, including non-formal education. Among these higher education programs, more emphasize to produce educated persons to achieve self-reliance refugees in service, including humanitarian programs, hosting and refugee mutual benefits. By making collaboration, partnership with the Regional Education Bureau, Gandhi Africa Training to Health Science Project, UNHCR, UNICEF, now we are training more than 600 graduate refugee teachers, both are educated in the diploma in standard service. To allow me, I would like to thank you, Gandhi Africa Training to Health Science Project, Dean, Instructor, Administrative Staff, Regional Education Bureau, UNICEF and the UNHCR to give this opportunity for the refugees, candidates and international institutions to reach this program. This partnership has been on behalf of ARA. We are open to collaborate with, work with the benefit of the host and the refugee community with the government and other partners to scale up our partnership. Thank you again. Congratulations.